Welcome to Bowen's Dumpster Services, your premier choice for dumpster rental in Shelby, North Carolina. We provide efficient and affordable solutions for all your waste removal needs. At Bowen's Dumpster Services, we offer a variety of dumpster sizes to suit any project. From home cleanouts to large construction jobs, we have the perfect dumpster. Our dumpsters are clean, sturdy, and ready to tackle your toughest waste. We ensure top-notch quality and reliability with every rental. Bowen's Dumpster Services is dedicated to your satisfaction from start to finish. Our team provides prompt delivery and pickup to keep your project on track. We offer a range of dumpster options to handle any waste. Our knowledgeable staff is here to help you choose the right dumpster. Renting a dumpster with Bowen's Dumpster Services is simple and hassle-free. Our easy-to-use website lets you book your dumpster in just a few clicks. Ready to get started? Call 704-648-5327 or visit our website at www.bowensdumpsterservices.com. Dumpster Rental Shelby NC to book your dumpster today. Bowen's Dumpster Services, your trusted partner for dumpster rental in Shelby, North Carolina.